What's going on, everyone? It's Marcellus back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge. It's the road to 100x with Baby Doge. We're going to keep this going. Definitely hit that like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let's get straight to it. So, let's talk about Baby Doge. We're going to go over the technical analysis and we're going to go over some of the updates that are going on inside of Baby Doge. So, first, let's do the technical analysis. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of resistance here. Baby Doge is having a really hard time staying above this line here, staying above 1185. So that's 8Z1185. It's really having a hard time staying above that. So that's our resistance right now. Well, it's really acting as like a support and resistance because it keeps going below the support line and then it keeps getting rejected here. So I think honestly, right now, I don't believe Baby Doge is going to be able to do this in the short term. Remember, this is just short term. So obviously, I'm bullish long term with Baby Doge. So even though it says over here in the last 24 hours for the 24-hour market control, we're bullish by 100%, you still have to look at the facts right now. We're having a really hard time even staying inside of this area. The whole red area means supply and demand of less demand. We have a resistance immediately at 1250. Even if we can get past this area, we still have resistance at 1250. We still have less demand once we get all the way up here from 1360 all the way down. So right now, Baby Doge is inside of a tough spot when it comes to the price. But I still believe Baby Doge has the possibility to continue to pump from here. Like there's always that possibility because right now we have very little volume, which is why we don't have much demand. You can even see here there's very little selling going on, not a lot of selling, but there's not a lot of buying either. So it's very little buying or very little volume. I bought a good amount yesterday just to do that video showing you all how to get Baby Doge on the Baby Doge swap to do the farming and staking and all, and just to kind of show y'all a little bit of an update. So yesterday you seen I had like what 7 million Baby Doge, and then I reinvested that 7 million back in, and now it's already at 251 million Baby Doge, and that's how much I'm staking. So I'm staking about $91 inside of Baby Doge, something around there, and that amount, it honestly, that's a good amount of staking. Not too much, but still, I made 30 cents in like a day. So if you kind of do the math here, and when I looked at how much I should have if I hold this for the whole time period till it ends, like I'm gonna have a good amount of Baby Doge, maybe like 130 or something like that. But see, put this on a macro scale. Imagine if I had $1,000 in there. Now I'm getting hundreds of dollars. See, because this is just $90, I got 30 cents, right? But see, if I had $1,000, and I know it doesn't look like much, but overnight I would have made $3. See, do it over another night, another $3. So if I'm making $3 a day off of this, off of just having $1,000, $3 a day for 58 days, it doesn't look like much. But when you think about it, $3 a day for 58 days, this is if I had 1,000 inside of 58 days, I make 174. Now let's put this on an even more macro scale. Let's just say you had $10,000. So now you're getting $30 a day, right? So now that you're getting $30 a day, you can do the math like $30 a day times that 58 days. That's $1,700 in 58 days. And this is the significance of Baby Doge Swap. This is the significance of farming inside of here. You can literally make that passive income and you can make it easily smooth. So honestly, if you only have $10,000, don't just throw it in there because if something happens, Baby Doge Swap goes under, gets hacked. You don't want to be left with nothing. So, like I said, you always want to be cautious with this type of stuff. But like I said, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor at all because sometimes DeFi projects do get hacked. But Baby Doge Swap is audited by Certic, and it took us a while to get this released, and they made sure that everything was good with it. So I think it's a good bet, but you definitely want to be careful with anything you do. So you never want to put more than you're willing to lose up in there. So like $1,000, making $174 inside of 58 days, that's cool. Make it $1,100 inside of 58 days off of the $1,000. That's cool as well. But I'm also cool with just doing this 30 cents overnight because it hasn't even been a full day. So looking at this, if I can just pull this in every single day, that's fine with me. I'm gonna keep putting more money into the farming for Baby Doge because even though the price goes down of Baby Doge, just imagine when it's going up and your money's compounding inside of Baby Doge swap. When we actually finally have that pump here in Baby Doge, getting all the way up here to our previous all-time highs, imagine how much money that's going to be as your money compounds in Baby Doge swap. So it's not best to just hold Baby Doge. You also want to stake it and farm it. So as of right now, I'm not too sure about if you get your the reflections while you're holding, but you're getting way more money just inside of farming because I was not getting $251 million in 8 hours because it's only been like 8 hours of, or I would say it's been like half a day, like 12 hours. So it's really only been like 12 hours of me farming and just holding baby doge. I never got that amount of reflections inside of baby doge just holding it with a low volume, because right now our volume is pretty low. It's at $3.6 million. We got to be honest here. It's pretty low. We're moving sideways right now. We don't really have high volume, but yeah, it's still all right. Like, we're still doing good numbers here in baby doge. But hey, I'm still expecting baby doge to do this with a price. I'm still expecting it to go all the way down here to the 13 or the 1140 area here. Still expecting for us to drop down eventually to this support line as well, down to 8Z10. So I'm still expecting all that. Even though I bought some yesterday, I'm still expecting it to go down. And I'm probably going to continue to buy whenever I get the opportunity to. And yeah, I'm not only invested in baby doge, I'm invested in a lot of other things as well. And I'm looking towards Pancake Swap to be my next DeFi project. But I think between Pancake Swap and baby doge, these have got to be the best DeFi projects on the Binance Smart Chain. And when I say DeFi projects, I mean with their own swap, their own farming and staking. Baby Doge and Pancake Swap. If I'm gonna go into DeFi and then yield farm and then do the staking, then I'm looking at Baby Doge and Pancake Swap. So hopefully Baby Doge can take over Pancake Swap. And you got to think about it. I honestly think that Baby Doge can take over Pancake Swap. For one, Pancake Swap is down here at 67, ranked 67, right? That's $662 million. And Pancake Swap is at rank 67. Now, Baby Doge has the potential to be exactly where Shiba Inu and Doge are because it's a meme coin. It's a community coin. People surround a community coin, especially once it starts to get DeFi protocols like how Shiba Inu did. Shiba Inu now has farming and staking as well. But see, Shiba Swap, when you look at Shiba Swap, it's not doing as good as Baby Doge. Well, it's doing a little bit better than Baby Doge, but it's like literally neck and neck with Baby Doge. So that's the crazy part. Like, Shiba Swap has been out for a literal year. Baby Doge has not been. Baby Doge has been out for about 2 weeks now. So 2 weeks being out for Baby Doge, Shiba Swap being out for a year, and you can actually see that Baby Doge is literally catching up to Shiba Swap. You see Shiba Swap right here at rank 195. Baby Doge at rank 200. So yeah, I think Baby Doge is going to be up there with Shiba Inu and with Dogecoin. I think Baby Doge may be around like the rank 15. It may even get down to like the 2 billion right now, but it definitely has, bigger possibilities to get way above that. So I definitely think Baby Doge is going to be up there with the big dogs, the big doges, right? So anyways, look at Shiba Swap over here, 23.47 million inside total value locked. Baby Doge has been increasing every single day. Literally. Remember the last video I made where it said $20 million of total value locked? Yeah, now we have $22.94 million in total value locked. And I am proud to be a Baby Doge farmer. I'm proud to be farming here inside of Baby Doge. And I'm going to continue to farm and do this inside Baby Doge because, hey, just inside of the little time that we've been doing this, you've seen that I've been earning more and more tokens just by holding it. So I'm definitely excited with this. I'm definitely going to probably put some more up in here. And I definitely want to get into this ETH BNB pair down here. And I just don't like the fees with ETH. But hey, we're gonna see. We're gonna see if it's worth it. I'm gonna see if doing the ETH farming is worth it. But right now, Baby Doge farming is where it is at. Now, let's kind of get off of the Baby Doge swap for a little bit. Let's kind of go over some more stuff here with Baby Doge. We already talked about the technical analysis here with Baby Doge. We'll talk about the Bitcoin technicals and we'll talk about some other stuff. Baby Doge right now up 1.1% for the day. That's pretty good. Not too bad. Not too shabby. And you also see over here, the whole overall crypto market's kind of doing the same thing. We're going up a little bit. It looks like we're on a little bit of slant upwards, but let's see if we can continue this uptrend. Let's see if we can continue that. Also, Baby Doge is getting more and more holders every single day. We now have 1,626,763 holders. So we're getting a good amount of holders every single day. It was only about 100 overnight, I guess, but still, it's still a good amount of holders that we're getting every single day, especially in a bear market. So we're doing good here with the holders on Baby Doge, and we're also still getting more projects joining in on Baby Doge and doing the farming on there too. So Wateen Swap is now on Baby Doge. So just in Wateen Swap sponsored rewards farms is now live. They have promised to integrate Baby Doge router and swap into their platform. Currently at 2,700 APR. And I know I said I was gonna get off the Baby Doge swap a little bit, but hey, we gotta go back over to Baby Doge swap and we gotta look at that because 2,700 APR. I want to see what the APR is currently at now, because the APRs and stuff, as you know, as when more liquidity starts flowing into these things, they tend to go down, right? And as more liquidity joins in. So here's Watine. Watine is now at 2100 APR. It is KYC'd. So the KYC pools and farms do not have a 10% transfer fee. So you don't have to worry about that 10% transfer fee when you're doing these. So that's pretty cool right here. It's not one of the core ones, but it is KYC'd and it still has the benefits of being the core. So the public ones are the ones that you want to look at in like second guess before you hop in on them. No disrespect to all the public ones, but anyone can create a public token and farm and put it on here. So you want to be a little bit more careful when you're dealing with the public ones over here. And that's why you see all the public ones have less liquidity. But see, the public ones, it's cool to like throw $10, $90 in, watch it grow, but you don't want to put all your money into one of these public farms. But these other ones, the KYC and the core farms, these are the more safer ones that they get in on. And Watine Swap is inside of one of these, and it's already at $150,000 liquidity. And see, the beauty of this, if you actually go over here and look at this, let's go back and look at Watine Swap. You can actually see they have 116,000 followers. So just the fact that they already have their own swap, they already have their own stuff going on. If you think about it, Watine Swap being on Baby Doge is like free promotion for Baby Doge. And I'm not going to connect my MetaMask to this right now, but still, it's like free promotion to Baby Doge. You can connect Trust Wallet to it. You can do a lot of stuff with Watine Swap. You can trade on here. You can go to the farming and the staking on here, and you can do a lot here. And this is just the test net it's saying, so it's gonna look a little bit different. But right now, I think there's a lot of potential here with this. But yeah, just wait until they put the other one on there. They probably already have the main net, but I'm not gonna do too much research on it right now because this is for Baby Doge. This is a Baby Doge video. So, anyways, on to the next thing. OKX, they just now made a post about Baby Doge. They tagged us. It says trick or treat with Baby Doge coin. So yeah, this is actually pretty cool. They're pretty much doing free promotion for us. This is free promotion. So I'm definitely excited whenever I see free promotion for Baby Doge. It's never a disappointment when you see some free promotion here. You got the 3D NFTs, all that good stuff. Free promotion is where it's at. Now we are also still doing the giveaway, the $200 giveaway, but it said inside 24 hours. So soon, or actually no, I think they probably already gave away the 200, or maybe it's almost there. But yeah, that's definitely pretty cool too to see that they're still doing these giveaways. And yeah, that's pretty much all I got for that. Now let's talk about the technical analysis for Bitcoin. So as you can see here with the Bitcoin is at 19.4K right now. So since Bitcoin is at 19.4K, you're seeing that it did just not get rejected here. It got rejected all the way up here at 19.6K. So I think Bitcoin still has the possibility, maybe to go up a little bit more to 20K. But like I said, I'm still a little bit bearish here when we're talking about Bitcoin. I still believe we should be dropping back down to 19K, but we still have moderate to high activity. So you probably will see a little bit of a rise even if we do drop down that low. You probably will see it bounce right back up. But I'm still predicting Bitcoin to go all the way back down to 18.2K. But right now, it's definitely looking like some bulls are trying to come in for Bitcoin and trying to steal the spot, the crown right now. And actually, if you look down here at the oscillator for Bitcoin, a bullish signal is being sprung up here on Bitcoin. So we were oversold, right? This area right here, they're indicating it as the oversold area. And you can see it right here that shows that it's oversold. But look at how the selling is starting to slow down. So now that the selling is slowing down, it's showing the bull signal because that means that it's bullish because the selling is slowing down. So now that the selling is slowing down a little bit, it looks like the selling is probably going to continue until it gets down like to 19.3K. But that's also where we have more demand. And when we get all the way down there, you're probably going to end up seeing it rise again, rising back up to where we were previously and possibly even breaking past 19.6K, getting all the way up to that 20K range. So I think Bitcoin could do that, but I still see Bitcoin going down inside of the future, in the near future. And long term, obviously it's going to be bullish long term. But I definitely think 2023 is going to be a rocky ride for Bitcoin. I'm really predicting by the end of 2023 or sometime in 2024, we should definitely become bullish again in the whole overall crypto market. But for now, we're still looking at the bearish movements here, temporarily bullish. But then after that, you're going to see some bearish movements going down to like 18.2K. That's just what I think. But like I said, none of this financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor at all. But yeah, definitely go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. As always, I'll be back with another video.